July 27, 9:15 a.m. Bank Nifty 1 minute market open. Daily basis we analyze how calls are generating, how it performing in live market. Yesterday a buy call generated, that buying momentum followed today also. Morning up to 10:50 buying momentum followed. After sudden downside momentum, new trend, so sell call generated. In this chart, it will automatically analyze the market movement and generate calls in live market. Whenever market movement changes, like if market started to move in upper side direction, buy call will come. If market is going to down, sell call will come. So like that, it will analyze market movement and generate calls in live market. So today after 10:55, we have received a sell call, red color candle open. Sell at 46,155, our entry point line. Straight white line from red color candle, our entry point line. Below our first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. First target, it's a 100-point target range. Second target is a 200-point range. 46,039, that is our first target breakout line. In 10 minutes of trading, market 100-point breakout has been happened, and in next 10 minutes, it successfully break out the first target range also. Like this today, call generated and breakout both the target also. For chart plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll send you the plan detail. Thank you.